This is our update on AMC for today. It is June 8th. Now, we talked about a couple things yesterday in our videos. One, that we expected to see this Friday's expiration become the dominant options expiration, and that took place. That means that yesterday it was mainly very short-term call and put traders that came into the market, and that is likely to set up this dynamic wherein the first part of the week, AMC is strong and has a tailwind. And then on Thursday night and especially on Friday, the stock trades lower and is weak, and it pins large options levels. And this is all of the expiration dynamic. We're going to post a link in the description to this expiration dynamic. We've covered it several times in the last several weeks. The other thing we wanted to point out is that call volume yesterday was not that high. This number actually last week hit 2.8 million in one day. And it seemed to average over 1 million. So this is not terrible call options volume, but it's not huge. So that is a little bit of a concern if you're a bull. Again, this is still strong, but it's not overwhelmingly strong. The second thing that we want to note, though, if you are a bull, is that we said that if this key gamma strike goes higher, then we take that as a bullish signal. And that is what happened. This was at 50 yesterday. It's now gone to 55. So again, we think that this has a positive signal for AMC today, tomorrow, and then into Thursday. And then because of the size of this 611 expiration, we think on Thursday and Friday, the stock likely trades lower. One other thing to note here, the 618 expiration is where some very large options expire in AMC. Those are the 40 strike calls. And so we think this is the ultimate low for the next 2 weeks. If you are trading puts or put spreads, you may want to take a look at this strike. As it's interesting because there's so much call option activity and open interest at this strike. It could be a challenge for the stock to trade below that because of the way that options are hedged. The other thing to note about the 618 expiration, it is a huge expiration for all stocks. It's a quadruple witching expiration, so we expect volatility to really expand into that date.